Hello everyone, it's your host Cherry and welcome to another vlog. Let's get started. So, when working on the game, I spend a lot of time making the map to make sure it's good and it's fun and it's balanced and all of that. Most of the time I spend adding custom decorations because all of the decorations require different types of tiles and different shapes, different positions and all of that. It just is very time consuming and I decided that I want to automate it. So I made a custom script that does it for me. I will explain how it works in this video, along with a couple different things that I improved with the game, so yeah, enjoy! So let's start with the script that places decorations. On screen you will see a demonstration of what it does. The simple explanation of how it works is that it checks what tiles are on the map. If they correspond to any tiles that are possible to have decorations on it, then has a random chance of placing a decoration tile, which it gets well by getting a random number and checking if the tile is corresponding to the tile type, which is half tile, slope, etc. And then if it doesn't, then it gets another number and tries to find another decoration tile, and it repeats that until it completes the entire list in the range that I set out for the script. The second thing I started to work on was something that I will call a power-up for now, but I definitely will change the name for something more suitable. It's basically a thing that you can collect mid-air that will refill your stamina or, well, wind. It basically allows you to keep using your wind even though you should have run out with the time. On screen you will see how it works yet again. It's still a work in progress and the effect of it and the way how it looks will probably be changed, but I really like it for now and I probably will keep it for a couple updates at least. And so now that I mentioned the so-called power-up, I can also mention that I'm working on a new level, which, well, this thing will be its new gimmick and the new feature it will introduce. I'm thinking on some more ideas for future features, future levels and all of that, so if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will respond to your comment and it just helps me out a ton. So yeah, thanks in advance, or yeah. And since I'm on the topic of mentioning things, I can mention a detour to the sponsor of this video. There is a huge sale going on in the Unity Asset Store right now where some items are for up to 50% off. There's also a 30 for $30 deal going on where you can get 30 items for only $30. It's a great thing to start with in game development, and if you are going to buy anything, feel free to use my link from the description below. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out a ton. So yeah, one more thing that I started to work on was adding more achievements to the game, since the game only will feature now 2 achievements, which is, well, completing the tutorial and finding a secret, and well, you know, that's not a lot, so I decided that I will work on adding more of them, and if you have any suggestions what they could be, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I also was thinking on adding some kind of a Discord reach presence, but that's something that I will probably put on my not important list, low priority, but it will probably come in the final game, so if that's something that you're excited about, then, well, here it is. All for you. I feel like this is most of the important things that had happened. If you have anything that you would like me to cover in a future video or make a tutorial on something, feel free to comment about it. I will read your comment, I will respond, and I will probably follow your suggestion. So yeah, have a nice one, thanks for watching and goodbye.